Gauge flyback, they're open racing. In front is taken by AJ Special, followed by Divine Power. Moving up, now the outside, Classic Quality, Rain Me In, then followed by Spread My Wings. Moving up, Milano. Next online, Kissable Toys, while the Here Song is running in the tail of the field. Out of straight they travel, AJ Special being joined by Rain Me In. And moving up, the wheel third now is Milano, then followed by Spread My Wings. 2 lengths back, Classic Quality. 4 lengths away is Divine Power. Moving up, the Here Song and Kissable Toys. Passing the half mile, AJ Special sit in front, Rain Me In on the outside. Spread My Wings in the middle portion. Moving up by the wheel is Milano. Nearing the last 600, AJ Special, Spread My Wings, Milano. Rain Me In from the outside, 5 lengths away is the Here Song. Here comes Divine Power. Inside the last 600, AJ Special hanging on, followed by Spread My Wings. The Here Song and Divine Power on the outside as they hit the final turn with AJ Special hanging on with half plank leader and moving up. Spread My Wings now for the outside to take the leader. It's now Spread My Wings, AJ Special, the Here Song and Divine Power, and finally Spread My Wings, the Here Song, AJ Special, Divine Power, and Milano for your Pentapecta.
Clear naman.
Yes.
7341. Tama?